I'll have your friend back. Right.
Yeah.
And how can I help you today?
So I've had a problem with my lower back, really tight, and I think it's coming from my hip.
Okay. How long is this?
So last year I had a problem lifting something out of the van, and it just kind of went tight, and I went and got an adjustment in my hip, and since then it's never been quite right.
Okay.
So I've been following your videos for a little while now, and just stopped.
Good. No, sit down. Sit down. Here. Let me take your pulse first.
I also get like tightness under my shoulder blade.
Yeah, I'm checking everything today. I'm checking everything. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, not bad, not bad. No, stay there. Oh, it's okay, it's on the air. There you go. There you go. That's it. Let me see here. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's it. That's it. That's no problem. There you go. That's it. There you go. Cross fingers together, please. Elbow close. Fall back. Wow, that was a big one. That was a big one. That's it. You came for support and you're
She doesn't seem to be supporting me.
Put your hands together. Elbow, push it back. There you go. That was perfect. Push. There you go. There you go. There. Stay there, stay there. Just a little. Stay from there. Yeah. That's it.
That was good.
That's good. The face there. Okay. That's it. Face down here, please. You know it. Wow, that's perfect. That's it. That's the one. Hey. That's the one. What back? There you go. Lift them up, please. That's the one. Wow.
Like my wife's playing that.
That's it. There you go, there you go. Lift them up, please. That's the one. Wow. Open the legs wide. Push them up. Hard. One more. There you go. That's perfect. There. That's it. There you go. That's the one. Wow. There you go. There you go. That's it. That's the one. Wow. Can you turn on your side a little bit? Any side. Perfect. There you go. There you go. Other side, please. That's okay. On there. Okay. On your back now, please. Give me hands again, please. Got my hands. That's the one. Stay with it, stay with it. Stay.
I'm glad you're finding this one.
There. That's it, that's it. It's not back, it's the lower back. What's your issue? It's not the hip. That's it, that's it. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Close, close, close. That's the one. That's it. Ah, yeah. Wow, wow. Oh. That's the one. That's the one.
Sweating.
That's it. Oh, well. Yeah, nice. Hold up, please. Okay. Oh, yeah. Wow. Nice. Hold up, please.
He's still alive.
That's still alive, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ah. Good. Put your hands on the top. Good, very good. A few minutes. Please. Yeah, I know. Where you come from? Essex, London. Yeah, we have some Scottish here, guys. It's just come. We have. Hold up. There you go, there you go.
That was good.
The nigga was alone. That was good. You're not alone. There are lots of people who can fly. That's it. Yes. Okay. Give me hands, please. Sit up. Yep. Stay exactly there. We'll do a nice.
You like this one.
That's the bear. That's the bear hook. Fall back.
Super.
That's it. Go on.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, I know.
Cheers.
Walk on. See how you are now.
Bringing the wheelchair.
Walk this way. That's to see the guy who's watching us. Yeah. Check the lower back. That's good. Take one or two days.
Yeah. Not
Take 1 or 2 days to get the best results. Okay.
Yeah. Superb.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let me see who's watching me now here. Guys, thank you very much. That was a good video. The gentleman came from Scotland. We have another one from, what is it?
XX London.
XX, you know. This is wait, they're waiting here now. That's the guy there. Guys, thank you. Stay in the line. I'll go to another video with them, okay? I'll be back in 2 minutes.